Parties, of course, meeting for the first time in court today. It was about a 90-minute hearing.
This isn't going to end well for you, Blake. Sorry.
In a world where sometimes people judge you before they give you a chance.
In just 90 minutes, Justin Baldoni secured his first major courtroom victory against Blake Lively, sending shockwaves through her legal team. Though this wasn't the final verdict, it was a significant step in shaping the direction of the case. And things are not looking good for Blake. For those who haven't been following, Blake Lively filed a jaw-dropping $250 million lawsuit against Baldoni, accusing him of theft. However, Justin did not take this lying down. He countered with an even larger $400 million lawsuit, alleging extortion and defamation against Blake and her husband, Ryan Reynolds. What began as a private dispute has now spiraled into one of Hollywood's most explosive legal battles in years. As the court session commenced, Justin's attorney, Brian Friedman, arrived fully prepared for war. His aggressive approach left Blake's legal team visibly uncomfortable, and understandably so. This is the same man who publicly vowed to sue Blake into oblivion. His confidence and determination were on full display, leaving Blake's lawyers scrambling to keep up. Desperate to contain the damage, Blake's team attempted to silence Friedman by requesting a gag order. However, the judge swiftly denied their plea, pointing out that Blake's own attorneys had been equally vocal in the media. The ruling was a decisive win for Justin's camp, and a devastating blow to Blake's team, who had hoped to control the media narrative. Blake's attorneys didn't stop there.
Actor-director Justin Baldoni is now suing his former co-star Blake Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds, seeking more than $400 million in damages, accusing them.
Friedman was free to continue speaking publicly about the case, marking yet another setback for Blake. Things took a turn for the worse when Blake's team discovered that Justin was not only fighting this battle in court, but also in the digital sphere. Over the weekend, his team launched a website dedicated to the case, featuring an amended legal complaint, a 168-page timeline of events, and newly released text messages allegedly exchanged between Baldoni, Lively, and Reynolds. One such text from Ryan Reynolds to Baldoni reportedly expressed excitement about their project, stating, "This is gonna be incredible. I happen to adore you, Justin." Blake's attorneys were livid, claiming that the website was improper, but Friedman quickly shut down their argument. He reminded the court that Blake herself had used the media first, citing her interview with the New York Times, where she made allegations against Justin. He emphasized that she had given Justin a mere 12 hours to respond before the article went live, damaging his reputation. The judge sided with Baldoni once again, allowing the website to remain active. The most significant blow of the day came when Blake's legal team attempted to dictate who would question her during her deposition. They hoped to prevent Friedman from being the one to interrogate her, but the judge refused. The ruling was clear. A party to litigation does not get to choose which opposing attorney conducts their deposition. This decision visibly shook Blake's team, as they were fully aware of Friedman's aggressive style and how difficult it would be for Blake to face him. A deposition requires the deponent to answer questions under oath, with everything they say becoming evidence in court. There is no opportunity for spin, avoidance, or carefully crafted PR statements. Given how fiercely Blake's team fought to prevent Friedman from deposing her, it raised questions about why she seemed so desperate to avoid this confrontation. If she truly had a strong case, why the fear? Wouldn't she want to present the truth with confidence? With yet another loss in court, Blake's legal team appeared rattled. The judge's rulings left them with little room to maneuver, and Justin walked away victorious in every argument that day. As if that weren't enough, it was confirmed that both lawsuits had been consolidated into a single case, eliminating the possibility of a prolonged back and forth. Instead, this will culminate in one high-stakes courtroom battle, A trial date has officially been set for March 2026, unless the parties reach a settlement before then. However, given the current trajectory, Blake may be in serious trouble if this goes to trial. The damage to her reputation is already unfolding, with public opinion shifting as more details emerge. While some fans continue to support her, others are starting to question her motives, especially in light of Baldoni's relentless pursuit of evidence. The launch of his website alone demonstrates that Justin is determined to clear his name. He isn't just playing defense, he's taking control of the narrative and ensuring that every piece of evidence is out in the open. This move is proving to be a strategic masterstroke. If Blake was willing to use the media to tarnish his reputation, then why shouldn't Justin do the same to defend himself? At this point, the question remains: should Blake consider an apology and settlement before her situation worsens? If she loses this case, the consequences will be devastating. A $400 million judgment would not only deplete her and Ryan Reynolds' combined fortune, but it could also signal the end of her career. Hollywood is quick to embrace scandal, but even quicker to turn its back on those who fall from grace. A financial hit of this magnitude could be irreversible. More than just money is at stake. If Blake loses, her credibility and reputation will take a major hit. It could mean lost opportunities, severed industry ties, and a public image that may never fully recover. Justin, on the other hand, has nothing left to lose. He has already been publicly accused, and now he is fighting with everything he has to restore his name. So far, he is winning. Meanwhile, the role of Ryan Reynolds in all of this remains unclear. If Blake loses, it will affect him as well, both financially and reputationally. While he has largely remained silent on the matter, the outcome of this case could have lasting implications for both of them. The trial is still a long way off, but it is clear that this legal battle is far from over. More twists, revelations, and courtroom battles are inevitable. With each ruling, the stakes only get higher, and the drama intensifies. One thing is certain: this case will continue to captivate Hollywood and beyond. As more evidence surfaces and public perception shifts, the ultimate question remains: will Blake find a way to salvage her reputation, or is she on the verge of a downfall that could redefine her career forever? Thanks for watching.